do you want me to do? You don't understand. That man is my life. I can't bear to lose him. I don't want to lose him.
Sister, but this is just mere misunderstanding. He will come around. Besides, this is not the first time you both are having arguments. Please.
You don't get it. I think I spoke to him in a manner I shouldn't have. I raised my voice. I wasn't thinking straight. I didn't know what to say. I was frustrated. Please, you need to talk to him. You need to talk to him on my behalf. Just tell him I'm sorry. Please.
Please, doctor. Come and have a look at her. No.
Madam,
yes, doctor.
I advise you go look for money. We can't proceed with the treatment without the payment.
Doctor, I promise we will pay. I swear, we will pay. I will pay, because
you kept saying this for weeks. Don't forget, we don't run a charity organization here.
Doctor, I know, because but I cannot bear to see my daughter in so much pain. Because come and save her life. Oh, see, I'm going to pay to the last couple. I swear, I will pay to the last couple because Doctor, because in a joke will come and my belly because
Doctor, please help her.
Eh? It's okay. Doctor, please, how much are we talking about? How much is it? Never mind. Can you just add it to my bill? Yes, just add it to my bill. It doesn't matter.
That's so thoughtful of you.
It's so good.
Okay.
My son, God bless you. God bless you, my son.
Mama, please stand up.
God bless you. God bless you. God bless you. Namdalo, thank you. Thank you.
From today, if there are any needs, just let me know. Yes, I'll take care of you and your daughter. It's fine. Just let me know. And doctor, please, if there are any bills from today, just add it to mine.
It's okay.
Not a problem.
It's okay.
It's okay. Thank you very much.
Just like that.
It's fine.
Madam, let's go. So
let's go. Thank you.
You know where you are?
This is Nollywood Pictures TV.